Our latest innovation for light garments, PrintandCut Maxilite, an easy and quick professional transfer paper to use with any standard CMYK laser printer. This solution is the new alternative for traditional print and cut eco-solvent machines. Print on any digital laser printer. Straightforward and quick to print on A4 or A3 format. A professional and cost-saving transfer paper with a stretchy and elastic version that provides great wear comfort. Easy to read and can get small details of the design. It has a transparent carrier, which enables the user to position the image easily and precisely on the textile. Our PrintandCut Maxilite has elastic, soft, and strong film that doesn't wrinkle even after washing at 60 degrees. It's a stretchy and thin texture that provides excellent quality and colors on any garment: cotton, polyester, polycotton, and nylon. Deliver your quality printed garments with low running cost with our PrintandCut Maxilite. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texgraph.com.